Hey there, I want to talk to you about this air fryer by Ninja. Now, I'm a person who doesn't like to have a lot of appliances on the counter and was originally reluctant to get this, but turns out this is something I use every single day. You can cook just about anything in there and crisp it up. You can even cook wings if you like to have wings or any kind of chicken. Beef is something that might get a little bit dry, but you can pretty much cook anything that you would normally cook in oil or deep fried, and this is a much healthier option to do that. To turn it on, all you have to do is hit the power button, and you can choose air fry or roast. I'm going to hit air fry, and if that temperature is a little high for you, let's say you like to do at 350, you can do that, and then you can set your time. I find that 6 minutes is a really good time to heat up or get your first cook on anything. Like if you want to do fries, it has this tray that you put your food in, and then it has this grill tray that sits in there. It's pretty worn and well used because we've had this for a few years now, but it's always been very reliable, super dependable, and I highly recommend it.